Welcome to my channel. If you're looking to learn about how to use Jasper AI tool and earn some extra dollars, then you've come to the right place. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest tips and tricks. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Jasper AI, a powerful tool that can help you generate unique content in just a matter of seconds. Not only is it incredibly easy to use, but it can also help you make some extra cash on the side. So if you're interested in learning more, keep watching. What is Jasper AI? Jasper AI is an artificial intelligence tool that uses natural language processing to generate unique and high-quality content in seconds. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including writing articles, creating product descriptions, and even generating social media posts. Use Jasper AI to create content for clients. One of the easiest ways to earn money with Jasper AI is to use it to create content for clients. Many businesses and individuals are in need of high-quality content, and Jasper AI can help you generate that content quickly and easily. You can charge a fee for your services and use Jasper AI to create the content. Use Jasper AI to generate affiliate content. Another way to earn money with Jasper AI is to use it to generate affiliate content. If you're an affiliate marketer, you can use Jasper AI to create product descriptions, reviews, and other types of content that can help you sell products and earn a commission. Use Jasper AI to create and sell ebooks. Jasper AI can also be used to create ebooks quickly and easily. If you have a topic that you're knowledgeable about, you can use Jasper AI to generate the content for your ebook. You can then edit the content as needed and sell the ebook online. Use Jasper AI to create social media posts. Social media is an important part of any business or individual's online presence. With Jasper AI, you can generate unique and high-quality social media posts in just seconds. You can use these posts to promote products or services and earn money through affiliate marketing or sponsored posts. Use Jasper AI to create blog posts. If you have a blog or are interested in starting one, Jasper AI can help you generate high-quality blog posts quickly and easily. You can use these blog posts to attract traffic to your website, sell products, or earn money through sponsored posts or affiliate marketing. Tip 6. Use Jasper AI to create YouTube video scripts. Another way to earn money with Jasper AI is to use it to create scripts for YouTube videos. If you're a content creator, you can use Jasper AI to generate ideas for video topics, and then use the generated content to create a script for your videos. You can also use Jasper AI to generate captions and titles for your videos. Final thoughts. Jasper AI is a powerful tool that can help you generate unique and high-quality content quickly and easily. By using the tips outlined in this video, you can earn money through a variety of methods, including creating content for clients, affiliate marketing, and selling ebooks. That's it for today's video on how to use Jasper AI and earn dollars. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.